Minecraft Pocket Edition videos, and today I'm gonna show to you all the tips and tricks in your furniture. Yeah, here we are. So yeah, sorry guys, I'm a bad English because I am a Filipino. Okay, I'm just trying to do my best. Okay guys, so here we are. This is all the furniture that you can do with your own idea. Okay, so we're gonna go to the first one. So the first one is the drawer. This is the drawer. I don't know. It look like some, I don't know. Okay, number two, furniture number two. Okay, wait. This is better when I have my video. What? There we go. Okay. Furniture number three. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, this is so fancy. Okay, this is a window, and this is look awesome. How do you do it? Oh, it's just simple. Okay, furniture number three, your own light. That's kind of simple. Okay. Number four, shut up. Number four, Number four, I don't know what this is, but this is kind of cool. There we go, we'll cut the table and chest. Furniture number, I don't know what this is the drawer. This is the true drawer. Okay, look at this. Okay, furniture number, I don't know. Okay, so this is kinda cool. I like how they add that. Okay, this furniture. Oh, this is the kitchen setup. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, cactus, right? Okay, and this is the chest. I don't know. Next furniture, the table, the living room set up. That's kind of cool. Behind the glass is okay. This is a light, and this is a light too. Furniture number. Furniture. Yay. This is kind of cool. What is this? I don't know. This is more memorable. I like this one. The head is there. What is there? That's so handsome. It's so handsome. Like my boy's face? I hope not. Okay, this is a setup. Oops, I accidentally broke it. No guys, I accidentally broke it. Why? No, where is it? Alright. There we go. Where do you have villagers? Why do villagers have bald head? Oh, what is this? Chair, couch, chest, and bookshelf, bookshelf. Yeah, I know. Bookshelf upstairs. Bookshelf. Just an ordinary bookshelf. Living room setup.
supplies?
Hindi ko po alam.
Ikaw daw gumamit, sabi ng lola mo.
Okay, guys. Sorry for that. That's my uncle. Sa Pilipino to. He's Filipino. And yeah. Let's go to some fancy food. Oh my god. Do you like it? Do you like this? Kill me. Okay. No, not blowing that. So this is a setup. Whoa, that's cool. Computer setup. I think. Okay. I always want to have a wait. No. I always want to have the toilet. Yes, I can picture myself. Yes, I have my dream come true. La, la, la. I will use that. That's so awesome. Okay. Oh, shower. Oh, nice and cool. And yep, lamps and bathtub, grade, some hole, I don't know, some fountain. Okay. And what is there? Oh, it's a fireplace. That's cool. That's kind of cool. How do you do that? How do you do that? That's kind of cool. That's kind of awesome. I'm hot. Okay, so we stop making around. Okay. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Please sure to subscribe for more videos and hit that like button. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you to the next video. Bye.